Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan and Xerox documents. Scanning is the process of converting physical documents, like photos or papers, into digital files. This allows for easy storage, sharing, and editing on your computer or other devices. To begin, simply place your document face down on the scanner glass or load it into the automatic document feeder. Then, select your desired settings on the scanner software. To ensure high-quality scans, always consider your resolution. For most text documents, 300 dpi or dots per inch is sufficient for clarity. If you're scanning photos, you might want to go higher, perhaps 600 dpi. Select the appropriate file format. PDF is great for documents, while JPEG is ideal for images. Remember to name and organize your files right after scanning for easy retrieval. Now let's move on to photocopying, often called Xeroxing. This process creates physical paper duplicates of your original documents. First, make sure your original is clean, flat, and properly aligned on the copier glass or in the document feeder. Then, use the control panel to select the number of copies you need, and adjust settings like enlargement or reduction if necessary. To keep your copier running smoothly, address paper jams promptly and carefully, following the machine's specific instructions. If your copies are too light or dark, adjust the density setting on the control panel. For optimal copy quality, remember to regularly clean the scanner glass with a soft, lint-free cloth and wipe down the document feeder rollers. This helps prevent streaks and smudges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.